Hello and welcome to Learning Outcome 2. How do operations management and strategic planning intertwine in business? This video explores their connection, focusing on optimizing efficiency and achieving strategic goals. Discover how aligning operations with strategic vision drives organizational success. Operations management is about producing goods and services efficiently. It ensures operations minimize costs while maximizing quality. Strategic planning, on the other hand, sets actions to achieve a vision. It involves both long-range and short-range planning. Together, they form the backbone of organizational success. The 3S Economy, Efficiency, Effectiveness Guide Performance Evaluation. Economy focuses on minimizing resource costs. Efficiency combines economy and effectiveness, doing tasks the right way. Effectiveness ensures objectives are met. Crucial in public and third sectors. These measures help managers improve performance. Economy is an input measure centered on expenditure. It seeks to cut costs without compromising quality. By minimizing resource costs, organizations can enhance profitability. Effective cost management is crucial for competitive advantage. Economy ensures sustainable growth by optimizing resource allocation. Effectiveness is about creating value by meeting specific criteria. It enhances production quality and responsiveness to customer demands. Effective management lowers production costs and boosts quality. It enables firms to renew themselves with new products. Meeting delivery schedules and technical capabilities is crucial. Efficiency measures the input-output ratio in operations. It focuses on maximizing output with minimal input. Improving efficiency lowers costs and boosts productivity. High efficiency leads to less waste and better resource control. It enables organizations to maintain competitiveness in their operations. Operational efficiency executes strategic planning. It maximizes input use to outpace competitors. Strategic operations involve time, resources, and funds management. Pestle analysis is crucial for understanding external influences. Operational efficiency and strategic operations are related yet distinct. Pestle analysis is vital for strategic business planning. It examines political, economic, sociological, and technological factors. Legal and environmental considerations are also included. Understanding these factors helps businesses adapt to external changes. Pestle guides strategic decisions for long-term success. Operational efficiency is profit-focused. Strategic operations measure profit rate. Success relies on efficient interdepartmental collaboration. Planning involves financial budgets and growth projections. External analysis, like PEST, supports strategic operations. Strategic planning charts the path to a desired future state. It includes mission, vision, goals, strategies, and objectives. A strategic plan guides organizations from present to future. It aligns operations with long-term goals. Effective strategic planning ensures organizational success. The strategic planning process involves several steps. It starts with analyzing the present environment using SWOT. Vision statements are refined into goals. Strategies are determined from SWOT outcomes. Objectives are formulated and communicated for implementation. Operations strategies must align with overall firm strategies. Strategic planning considers current missions and conditions. It sets a guide for future decisions and results. Strategies link operations to market and company goals. Consistency in strategy ensures organizational coherence. Organizations aim for optimum quality at minimum cost. Further quality improvements may raise total costs. Product defects decrease, but prevention costs rise. Balancing cost and quality is crucial for competitiveness. Both aspects impact organizational performance significantly. Cost minimization emphasizes efficiency and productivity. It involves asset turnover increase and direct cost reduction. Outsourcing non-core activities can cut costs. Controlling overheads and negotiating supplier pricing is vital. Cost leadership offers a competitive edge. Cost minimization leads to lower unit costs and higher profits. It improves cash flow and return on equity. However, it may limit capacity for demand spikes. Poor communication can surprise other departments. Effective cost management requires strategic oversight. Quality maximization is crucial for profitability and customer retention. It involves maintaining high product quality standards. Higher quality links to cost reduction and productivity gains. Frederick Taylor emphasized quality in manufacturing management. Balancing cost and quality ensures organizational success. Quality management involves several costs. Appraisal costs ensure quality and uncover defects. Prevention costs stop defects from occurring. Failure costs arise from defective products or services. Return on quality evaluates financial returns on quality investments. Operations management links to strategic planning through performance objectives. These include cost, quality, speed, dependability, and flexibility. Each objective enhances organizational competitiveness. Proper resource management is key to achieving these goals. Performance objectives drive operational success. Performance objectives ensure efficient and effective operations. They convert inputs into valuable outputs. Quality, speed, dependability, flexibility, and cost are crucial. These objectives align operations with customer expectations. Achieving them enhances organizational performance. Cost and quality are vital for competitive advantage. Cost management involves reducing inputs and cutting waste. Quality focuses on reliability, performance, and aesthetics. Both factors impact customer satisfaction and organizational success. Balancing cost and quality is essential. Excelling in performance objectives brings several benefits. Quality ensures error-free products, satisfying customers. Speed minimizes order-to-delivery time. Dependability fulfills promises to customers. Flexibility adapts to a dynamic environment, maintaining competitiveness. Operations management plays a critical role in supporting and implementing strategic planning within an organization. Strategic planning sets the long-term direction and objectives, while operations management ensures that resources, processes, and systems are aligned to achieve those goals. Effective operations strategies such as cost leadership, quality improvement, flexibility, and speed directly influence competitive advantage. When operations are closely linked to strategic planning, organizations can respond more effectively to market changes and customer demands. Therefore, evaluating this link highlights how operational decisions contribute to overall business performance and long-term sustainability. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.